Welcome to Indian Made. In this video, we are going to talk about the medieval Indian weapon Bagnak. Bagnak meaning tiger claws. It has other names like Wagnak or Vagnakya. It is like a regular brass knuckles but much cooler. It has a concealed sharp metal tiger claw structure. It is inspired by the armament of big cats. It is used in close combat to cut open the flesh like a tiger or fatally injure the opponent. It is usually used as a secondary weapon while the dominant hand holds the main weapon like sword. This weapon was originally used by the medieval era Rajputs for assassinations, but the weapon was popularized by the Maratha ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The initial Maratha clan was under the small territory in the southern part of India under the invading Mughal rulers. Later, the Marathas decided to rebel against the invaders to reclaim their homeland. The Marathas' territory became from this to this. They carved up a lion's share of the Mughal territory. The Marathas used guerrilla warfare to combat the large Mughal forces, so they embraced smaller concealed weapons. The soldiers used to wear the weapon during sleep in order to fend off an ambush or a surprise attack. The weapon got its fame by the assassination of Afzal Khan. In 1659, Shivaji was supposed to have a meeting with Afzal Khan, the Mughal general. Afzal Khan was known to invite kings to his court for negotiations, only to have them murdered. Shivaji suspected that the general would try something like that and so wore chainmail under his clothing and a bagnak in his hand. When the two leaders embraced in the traditional greeting, Khan tried to attack Shivaji with a cutter but failed to pierce Shivaji's chainmail. Shivaji then took his hand with a concealed bagnak and clawed Afzal Khan. This killed Afzal Khan. This incident led to the Battle of Pratapgarh. In the battle, the Marathas emerged victorious. The Bagnak is also a popular weapon among Nihang Sikhs who wear it in their turbans. It is recommended that Nihang women carry a Bagnak when going alone to dangerous areas. The Nihangs also have a number of traditional weapons, one of them being Sher Panja, which is inspired by the Bagnak. The Bagnak was also used by wrestlers in a form of fighting called Naki Ka Kusti or claw wrestling. These claw wrestling were even happening under British colonial rule. It caused fatal injuries and even led to death. The men, drunk with bhang or Indian hemp, rushed upon each other and tore like tigers at face and body, which mostly let one of the opponents bleed to death. The Bagnak went out of fashion as English handshakes became a trend. In modern era, after the Direct Action Day riots of 1946, the Bengali Hindu girls, in order to defend themselves, began to wear a kind of sharp weapon resembling a bagnak while going to school. This is the history of the Indian medieval weapon Bagnak.